everyone, welcome to learning in discourse analysis with us. And now, I want to introduce our group. They are from group A. Among them there is Siti Farihah, Ri Febrian, and Salsabila Putrananda. Today, we are going to study about meta discourse in the classroom. The following is the discussion that we will discuss in this material, including students' writing and audience awareness, advantages of teaching meta-discourse features, some teaching principles, some teaching strategies, summary and conclusion. This time, I will discuss the student writing and audience awareness sections. The importance of meta-discourse in language teaching, especially in the context of academic writing. Meta-discourse is a key feature of communication that helps writers assess readers' the source for interpreting a text and their likely response to the text, thereby enabling them to structure their argument effectively. Although meta-discourse is starting to recognition in language teaching, it was previously ignored due to the focus on content and grammar. Writing professionals emphasize how important it is to understand the cognitive limitations of text and convey their thoughts about statement, as well as engage in appropriate dialogue for the reading community. This understanding is very important for novice writers to ensure that all readers can understand the text in the same way. This understanding is important not only for communication but also for learning to write in a first language. Here's an example from a Hong Kong student's high school exam essay, which show how transferring common meta-discourse in a conversational setting to academic writing can feel awkward and inappropriate. This illustrates the need for students to understand the rhetorical choices that make a text successful in a particular context and audience. And next, I will discuss about advantages of teaching meta-discourse features. Meta-discourse is an important tool that can help ISL students and first language writers to better understand and produce complex texts. By studying meta-discourse, students can improve their ability to process information, express ideas, and engage in meaningful dialogue. The following are the possible advantages of teaching meta-discourse feature for students, whether learning English on their native language. The first, meta-discourse helps students better understand the cognitive demands placed on readers and how writers help them process information. Next, meta-discourse provides students with tools to access positions on their statements. And last, meta-discourse helps students invite dialogue with readers and helps them invite readers to join in the dialogue. Meta-discourse has several potential advantages in text, which can be applied to help students better understand and remember text, as well as help clarify connections between issues. Some potential advantages of meta-discourse in next include: provide a context to place propositive information. Meta-discourse help provide a context that helps transform propositive information into something easier to understand. Clarify human presence in written text. Meta-discourse help clarify human presence in writer text, which makes students more thoughtful and engaged with the text. Increase the power of writing. Meta-discourse help clarify and strengthen the author's argument. Helps remember and remember text content. Meta-discourse helps students remember and remember text content. Helps with consistency and connections between issues. Meta-discourse help clarify connections between issues in a text. Several studies show that reading and writing can be improved through the appropriate use of meta-discourse. For example, Chrismore and Fadikoppel, 1988, found that students learn more from text that showed value change than from text that did not, while Burton, 1993, found that writers increasingly successfully use transitions from conjunctions. To ISL, students summarized the term essay by saying that essays with higher scorer contain more meta-discourse and a greater variety of features than essays with lower scores. Cheng and Stephens, 1996. Study is one of the few studies that provides evidence that students who participated in experimental learning received significantly higher grades in their classes after studying functions and using meta-discourse for 19 weeks. Comparing the experimental group with the control group, which only received instructions to summarize conventional products, the control group used more meta-discourse and more comprehensive feedback. This shows that the use of meta-discourse to teach students is an important factor in improving their reading comprehension skills.
Some teaching principles. Teaching students to use meta-discourse effectively essentially means helping them to develop a sense of audience and equipping them with the means to engage with that audience appropriately. Readers expect that text will be organized in certain ways, that sufficient signals of the writer's intention will be available in the writing, and that their own views will be acknowledged. In terms of teaching meta-discourse, the discussion in previous chapter suggests that teachers need to consider the following key elements: writer's target needs, previous writing and study experience of the author, the role of language in expressing function, the importance of social interaction, use of authentic text, and audience roles and communities of practice. Consider the needs of the target writer. If writing is a cultural activity reflecting the socially recognized aims to the writer when interacting with other members of a community, then we must begin with the question: why are these students learning to write? Who will they interact with? For what purpose? However, needs are not always easy to determine, and teacher training manuals often provide misleading objectivity to the process. Consider the author's previous writings and learning experiences. Viewing writing as a cultural activity requires recognizing diverse contexts and students' culturally grounded experiences, thereby requiring careful tasks designed to avoid deviations from shared rhetorical convention. Highlight social interactions. Teaching effective meta-discourse use emphasize interaction importance and device utilization for constructing monologic dialogue. This entails focusing on function over forms, addressing overlooked issues like self-presentation, politeness, assertiveness, and more. Writers must consider their purpose, genre, and personal relationship with readers regarding social dynamics and imposition scale. Create text based on authentic text. Selecting meta-discourse device for teaching should align with students' communicative needs, relying on authentic language samples to expose them to useful and frequent items. Contextualizing features prioritize rhetorical aspects over grammar, ensuring relevance to students' target genres and context. Investigate community practice. Students should actively engage in analyzing communicative events alongside textual features, observing activities in the target context, and discussing them with participants. This fosters understanding of roles, meanings, and interactions, helping students view meta-discourse as purposeful, situated, and interactive. Some teaching strategies. Rhetorical consciousness raising involves developing a generative capacity rather than an adherence to rules and exploitation of forms, not a compliance to them. This requires finding ways of incorporating contextual factors into teaching to emphasize of conscious awareness of recurrent and useful patterns in target genres and the need to reflect on the motives behind their use. There are some main steps that teachers can use to highlight meta-discourse and help students interact more effectively with their readers. 1. Analyzing text. 2. Manipulating text. 3. Understanding audience and creating text. Analyzing text. Familiarizing students with meta-discourse can start with tasks highlighting language usage in relevant contexts, like searching for examples using concordancing programs. This authentic data can be used for activities such as completing gapped concordance, printouts, or comparing text for meta-discourse features. These activities stimulate inquiry and independent language engagement, facilitating understanding of genre-specific interpersonal dynamics. Manipulating text. When students are able to identify examples of meta-discourse and the roles they are performing, then they can work on these features, changing and altering text to achieve different meanings. Good examples of target text can provide a foundation for controlled composition text, developing learners' confidence and fluency by providing a text frame from which learners can complete a parallel text, edit a draft text, or otherwise rework a model to include appropriate meta-discourse features. Understanding audience. Meta-discourse effectiveness hinges on the writer's grasp of intended audience characteristic, expectation, and relationships to the text. Teachers should integrate real and simulated audience sources into writing classes, including classroom, peers, and genre-specific considerations. Creating text. While text and context analysis aids learning, effective writing skills are best acquired through practice. Extended writing tasks guide students through the entire writing process and foster audience-oriented text creation. Scaffolded support is crucial, even for novice writers, and considerations of reader comprehension cannot be divorced from message experience.
Summary and conclusion. Taking meta-discourse research usually involves recognizing the importance of discourse interaction and translating it into classroom tasks. Meta-discourse social perspective emphasizes functional language use and understanding audience engagement in academic and professional writing. Interaction should raise student awareness of meta-discourse function, genre-specific choice, and contextual consequence, moving away from process-oriented writing toward target community understanding. Sustained exposure to diverse functional language is essential for effective meta-discourse use. Researching audience and text user practice change student ability to express stance, manage dialogue, convey information, and engage reader appropriately. This ensures they employ formal writing convention discerningly and effectively to convey intended meaning and negotiate identity.